Ndishi kwenu. Kwenu. Kwezono. Hey! Obinigwe. This kind of children when you give me one time you know. They are great grandchildren that get chain I will get out chain ara. I cancel. Wait oh. The cricketer were here. Nah, man and woman thing.
And that's believable now.
As you want wool leg.
You called it somebody else, not your husband.
This is business.
I'm talking about your husband.
I'm talking about money. Yes.
Monkey they walk, babu they chop. I want to take in a second wife.
Hey.
How? Where that chorus come from? Una be choir master.
Like father, like son. Both of you supposed to be blind because only a both food there.
What you talk with the back?
Tell me the person that is in this place that does not know that I am not a blind woman. So how do I disguise myself?
Since where you don't see, you don't buy money. Begging business. You blind or you crippled? Or you deaf and dumb?
I can handle any of them. So that I can fake blindness.
Huh?
Yes.
So you've not heard that Ibesim now is a multi-millionaire.
As I come back like this, now I see one of my G. He come and tell me say see my papa they beg some market.
God to peace.
He's begging a crime.
Before I go beg from now to the end of this year, my